What's up, traders? First thing I'm going to say to you today is, hoo boy! What a start to Q3. This market has started off with an absolute bang. I think I touched upon this in my video from last week. I had told you guys that the starting point of each quarter every year is a great time to analyze and evaluate where you're at with your trading, right? And more importantly, what are you doing? What actions are you taking to improve, to get better each day at your trading than you were the day before? I mean, look, Q1, which is the most recent quarter that we just wrapped up, my opinion, Q1 was one of the best trading environments ever. I mean, this market was going up and down, thousands of potential ticks and pips every single day, and I sincerely hope that we're going to see that volatility this quarter as well. So it's very important for you guys to have somewhat of a competent, decent strategy to prepare for what I think is going to be another volatile quarter with excellent trading opportunities. Anyway, folks, let's get right into it. What you're seeing on the chart is the S&P 500. I've also got the NAS queued up for you here. The NAS was slammed today, all right? I'm going to come back to the NAS in just a few seconds for all you NASDAQ lovers. But we're going to start with the S&P 500. So this is the global benchmark, guys. If you trade Forex, your symbol is SPX 500. This is a great symbol, in my opinion, on the Forex markets. And if you trade futures, your symbol is ES. And of course, if you trade stocks and options, your symbol is SPY, what they call the SPY. And this green and red color band is our proprietary volume indicator that's being overlaid onto the chart right now. This is just the last 2 days, folks. It was incredible, okay? Simply incredible. And I'm going to talk to you about today's setups right at this moment in time, where you can see the volume color band turns red. Okay, so one of my favorite things to discuss with amateur traders or new traders, or really anyone that's looking to get better and improve, right? That's what it's all about. All of us, me, you, Warren Buffett, everybody, traders of all experience levels, okay? I think it's smart for you guys and gals to want to get better each day. What's wrong with wanting to master your craft? That's what good traders do. Good traders aspire to be great traders. Great traders aspire to be legendary traders, right? I don't think there's anything wrong with wanting to master your craft and at least attempt to become the best trader in the world. You might not hit that goal on day one. You might not even hit that goal on year one. But remember, folks, trading is a journey, okay? So anyway, where I'm going with all this is, if you have any aspirations to put together a competent, respectable strategy, something that makes sense, then I suggest you take a look and understand volume analysis, all right? This green and red color band is our proprietary volume indicator that helps traders get and identify the direction, okay? When it turns green, that's your clue, that's your signal that, hey, look, boss, maybe, just maybe, higher prices might be around the corner. And in a situation like today, when this volume band turns red, it's your potential clue or alert or signal, whatever word you want to use, okay? It's your trigger to let you know that lower prices might be around the corner, and this transition between the color change, in this case, as it turned from green into red, this is your potential clue that the market's getting ready to sell off. And folks, it was even more pronounced on the NASDAQ today. All right, look at this chart from today. This is from today. Look at this. This is the exact moment in time that the volume color band predicted a sell-off in the NASDAQ. Okay, so for all you guys out there that don't believe in volume, or you've never heard of volume, bro, you got to check out volume analysis. In my opinion, volume, to me, is the only thing that works. All right, that's just my opinion. You are free to agree or disagree. But whatever your opinions are, how can you argue with this chart, right? Volume color band turns red, and that was it for a shocking 800 potential tick pip move. Okay, depending on whether you trade Forex or futures, but 800 potential ticks or pips. I don't know how often the market's going to be this generous to us, But folks, you've got to take it while the taking's there to be had, right? If the market's giving us these types of moves on the NAS and these type of crazy wild swings on the S&P, then you got to take it while it's there to be had, because look, who knows how long the volatility is going to be here. You understand what I'm saying? Especially on the NAS. You guys know this is one of my favorite symbols. Don't ask me why, it just is. I personally like to be where the action is. I love markets that have a built-in level of volatility. You guys have heard me say this before. Volatility is your best friend. I love to run towards volatility instead of running away from it, right? And one last interesting thing I'm going to show you here is, remember we always talk about retracements, right? I've done so many videos on this channel teaching you guys about, in my opinion, the most powerful chart pattern of all time, and that is the retracement strategy, okay? Where the market establishes the direction and then it pulls back a little bit above the color and then takes off, right? Hopefully that's ringing some bells to you guys. Well, isn't this interesting? Look at this setup right over here. Okay, folks, this is a perfect, and I mean perfect, retracement setup. You could not have asked for a better retracement trade to the short side than you got today, especially coming off a monstrosity of a bull move from the previous session, right? So the takeaway from watching this video, guys, is, look, I know a lot of you guys were trying to short the NASDAQ over here, and you tried to short it over here, and you tried to short it. I mean, look, there's always going to be a certain number of dummies in the market that try to counter trend trade. In other words, there's always going to be those dum-dums out there who try to go against the large traders and against the smart money. And my question to you is why, right? This volume color band was so clearly and obviously green, okay? So if you make a conscious decision to short the market, any market, my theory, in my opinion, would be, well, why not just wait for the color to change, right? Why not try to embrace or at least understand trend trading? Why not try to follow the large traders and the smart money instead of going against the trend, what's known as counter trend trading? Just stop it, man, right? So that's really the one takeaway I want you guys to glean from this first video of Q1. I think it's going to be a great quarter. Ladies and gentlemen, we got 3 really nice, powerful months coming up. I think for anyone who wants to learn an interesting trading strategy, or maybe even just adding something different and unique to your trading toolbox, then I think you'd be very, very pleased with this volume-based indicator. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.